An instant side dish you can make ahead of time. Healthy and spicy. Siguradong mapapakain kayo. Kimchi, 3 ways. Let's start cooking. So I will teach you how to make a base kimchi and we will make alterations para pag kumakain kayo sa bahay, feeling mo Korean restaurant kasi maraming ang side dishes. So ito, napa cabbage, o di ba, social, or tinatawag natin petchay bagyo. So I will cut it in half. So because hindi sabaw yung ginagawa natin, kailangan natin i-extract ang kanyang excess water or fluid. So kailangan natin ng asin. Isipin mo na lang parang ampalaya, no? So, you have to rub it with salt, no? Pati sa loob, no? Sprinkle some salt inside. And ito, meron tayong radish, labanos. So, you can buy the Korean radish, yung daikons, yung matataba. Pero, yung local natin ng labanos, ginagamit natin sa sinigang, pwede din. So, I will just dice it up. Para when you're eating your kimchi, homemade kimchi, medyo iba-iba din yung kanya mga textures, no? And again, it's very important to rub it with salt. So we want to remove the excess fluids or water from our vegetables. And the third one, ito lagi tayo meron sa bahay nito, pipino at carrot. So what I will do here is I will just cut it in half and I will remove the seeds kasi yung seeds are very watery. We don't want that. What we will do, we'll just like cut it randomly, no? Parang naka-wedge ng konti. Yan. Na-bias. Ganun siya. Parang pa-triangle yung ating slice. And for the carrots, kasi medyo matigas yung carrots compared sa ating cucumbers, we're going to cut it into thin pieces. Ganyan. And again, we have to add our salt. So, pipigaan natin yung ating radishes and carrots. And you will notice na medyo nagtutubig na siya. We want to remove as much as we can, no? Yung ating mga juices from our radishes. So, ito na yung ating radishes which I already like rinsed, no? Kasi dapat ma-rinse off mo yung excess yan na alat because you don't want it to be overly salty. So, what we're doing now is we are doing an instant kimchi, no? So ito madalian lang to, itong dalawa, madali ang kimchi lang to sila. And the other one will be a traditional kimchi. Ayan. Hello mga simple, don't forget to grab copies of my simple cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. And we will make a very simple dressing for this. Ito siya is, we are using ginger, grated ginger, luya, grated garlic, a little bit of sugar, konting sugar lang. And instead of the chili flakes, I am just using sriracha or hot sauce. And for that saltiness and a little bit of umami, fermented flavor, patis. Yan, fish sauce. Mix everything together. And all we have to do now is to add it to our vegetables. A radish. Yan. Mix natin. Just leave it for an hour or two and okay na siya. But if you leave it overnight, mas better siya. But it's very easy, so simple. And I will just add a little bit of leeks for more flavor. Toss natin. And it's done. Sobrang dali lang, oh. Taste na natin siya kung tama ba yung timpla natin. Kung dapat i-adjust, i-adjust na natin siya. But later on, tomorrow, titikman natin siya ulit and let's see how it will turn out. Magiging mas iba yung lasa niya, mas develop. Nice. And let's work on our cucumbers. And we are using the Korean chili flakes, the gochugaru, and we will make a very simple dressing. And this time, we will be using soy sauce for vegans because there are a lot of vegans. So, pag vegan ka, you don't eat fish sauce. So, ito siya. Soy sauce. This one, a little bit of vinegar. Grated garlic. Grated ginger. Sugar. And our chili flakes. And let's just dress our cucumbers. Leave this for a few minutes, an hour, or even better overnight. But I will taste just to make sure that my dressing is okay. So, ito na yung aking cabbage na inasinan, piniga, hinugasan ulit. So, what we will be using here, gagamit tayo ng rice flour. So, ito, rice flour, or pwedeng hugas bigas, no? 1/4 cup of hugas bigas. Now, we will add our sugar. Patis for flavor and also to aid the fermentation. Grated garlic, grated ginger. Ito, I will just slice up some leeks. No? White part of the leeks, I will add it to my dressing. The very important ingredient, ating Korean chili flakes. Gochugaru. Yan. And ako, I like to taste. Though, ang pagtikim mo dito, babantayan mo lang yung saltiness niya, no? Because, as it ferments, the flavors will change. So, ang lasa nito, hindi yung lasa pagka matapos siya. And now, it's a time that we will bathe our cabbage in the dressing. At least 3 days, no? Pero if you ferment it for too long, minsan nakakakain tayo ng kimchi na sobrang asim. Ibig sabihin, sobrang tagal na ng fermentation niya. So, the longer it ferments, the more asim it will have. Eto na siya, pag mag-Korean barbecue sa bahay, dagdag na side dishes, 3 klaseng kimchi. Very easy to do. Iba't iba yung mga flavors niya. Iba't iba yung textures niya. Kaya try this at home. Ating kimchi 3 ways. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, click here. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!